Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kitchen cabinets that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for stylish and functional storage solutions for your kitchen, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Fawn Farmhouse Storage Cabinet. This cabinet is perfect for those who love rustic aesthetics and need ample storage space. With its classic barn door design, it exudes countryside charm that will elevate your kitchen or bathroom decor. The cabinet features 2 adjustable shelves and 4 hidden compartments behind its barn-style doors, making it ideal for organizing personal care items or kitchen essentials. Its compact dimensions of 11.8 inches deep and 43.3 inches tall make it suitable for small spaces while still offering efficient storage. In terms of build quality, the Fawn cabinet is crafted from solid wood, ensuring durability and a premium finish. It's also waterproof and moisture resistant, which makes it a great choice for humid environments like bathrooms. However, its assembly process might require some patience due to its intricate design. While it's a versatile piece, it ranks lower on our list because of its slightly limited weight capacity and smaller shelving compared to other options. Pros: elegant farmhouse design, durable wood construction, adjustable shelves. Cons: limited weight capacity, smaller dimensions for larger households. Ideal for compact spaces and those seeking a rustic touch in their kitchen or bathroom. At number 4, we have the Zudus storage cabinet. This multi-purpose cabinet combines functionality and style, making it an excellent choice for coffee bars, kitchens, or even living rooms. It features 3 drawers and 2 adjustable shelves behind 2 doors, giving you plenty of storage options to organize your items efficiently. Its dimensions of 11.81 inches deep, 35.43 inches wide, and 31.49 inches tall are ideal for smaller spaces. Offering ample storage without taking up too much room, the cabinet is constructed with medium-density fiberboard, MDF, ensuring durability while maintaining a sleek and modern design. The lockable feature is a nice touch for added security, and the assembly process is straightforward thanks to clear instructions and included tools. However, it weighs 44.2 pounds, making it slightly heavier than some comparable options. While it's great for organizing smaller items like utensils or spices, it might not be the best for larger kitchen appliances or heavy cookware. Pros: multiple storage options, lockable for security, modern design. Cons: heavier than other cabinets, limited capacity for larger items. Ideal for coffee bars, entryways, or small kitchens looking for both style and functionality. Taking the number 3 spot is the Hubro kitchen island with power outlet. This versatile kitchen cabinet is perfect for modern homes, offering a built-in power strip with 3 sockets and a 59-inch cord for charging appliances like microwaves or coffee makers. The cabinet features a spacious countertop, 3-tier spice rack, adjustable shelves, and a drawer for utensils, making it a highly functional storage solution. Its wheels, including 2 lockable ones, allow for smooth mobility and stable placement. Hubro stands out with its elegant design, featuring a natural wood and white finish that complements contemporary kitchens. The sturdy MDF and particle board construction ensure durability, while the smooth finish makes cleaning effortless. At 34.7 inches tall and 25.8 inches wide, it's compact yet functional. However, its weight capacity of 55 pounds may limit the types of appliances you can store, and its build quality is slightly less robust compared to higher-end options. Pros: built-in power outlet, mobility with lockable wheels, sleek modern design. Cons: limited weight capacity, particle board construction may not be as durable as solid wood. Ideal for homes needing a mobile kitchen island with charging capabilities. At number 2, we have the Choo kitchen storage cabinet. If you're looking for a premium farmhouse-style cabinet, this one delivers elegance and functionality. With its diamond-patterned doors and rustic white finish, it's a statement piece for your kitchen or dining room. It features an independent drawer and a spacious cabinet with adjustable partitions, allowing you to store items of different sizes. Its versatility makes it suitable as a coffee bar, sideboard, or living room storage cabinet. The Choo cabinet is constructed from high-quality MDF, ensuring sturdiness and durability. The painted finish is easy to wipe clean, making it low maintenance. At 33.5 inches tall and 29.9 inches wide, it offers ample storage without overwhelming your space. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and numbered panels. However, its price point of $129.99 is the highest on our list. And its weight capacity is not specified, which may be a concern for heavy items. Pros: premium farmhouse design, adjustable partitions, durable MDF construction. Cons: higher price, weight capacity not clearly defined. Ideal for those seeking a stylish centerpiece for their kitchen or dining room. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shinteni Kitchen Island Cart with storage. As the most affordable option on our list, this cart offers incredible value at just $89.99. It features a large worktop, tiered shelves, a cabinet, adjustable shelving, towel racks, and drawers, making it a versatile and practical solution for any kitchen. With its mobile design and 4 universal wheels, 2 of which are lockable, it's perfect for small kitchens or spaces that require flexible storage solutions. The Shinteni cart is constructed from high-quality solid wood, ensuring durability and stability. Its 35-inch height and 26-inch width strike a good balance between functionality and compactness. The white finish blends seamlessly with most kitchen aesthetics, and its smooth surface makes cleaning a breeze. Despite its lightweight design, it can hold up to 35 kilograms, making it suitable for appliances like coffee makers and blenders. However, its assembly might be a bit time-consuming for some users, and its weight capacity is lower than premium models. Pros: affordable price, versatile storage options, mobile design with lockable wheels. Cons: lower weight capacity, assembly can be time-consuming. Ideal for budget-conscious buyers seeking a practical and stylish addition to their kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect kitchen cabinet for your home. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.